Leader Sean coming at you once again, talking a little bit about some of the top questions that I'm asked during the process of purchasing a new home. When you're purchasing your new home, one of the biggest questions people ask is, what is the process? How do we get from interest level where I'm at now to where I get plugged in and I actually acquire the home? And we have a simple 3-step process that's in-house that makes it very easy and almost fun to actually getting your new home. The first step is we do an offer summary, and that offer summary takes it's literally a 4-page document. It just literally sets aside a piece of paper that says, hey, we want to make an offer on this home and this is what we're willing to pay. This is our price breakdown. And then once we get that offer summary on the table, then we take it the next few days. Once we get that solidified with the seller and the seller accepts the offer, there may be some back and forth on terms and or on price and things of that nature. Once that's settled and once we know the exact price, then we create the purchase and construction agreement. Purchase and construction agreement, it's about a 48-page document. It takes about an hour to go through all of that. That's the actual formal contract. And then once we're under contract, then now you are set with that home and the terms have all been decided on both sides. And then the third thing that we do is the personal choices meeting or the spec review if the home has already been created. But if you're in the process of putting together your own home where you get to make certain selections, whether that be color, or you get to have certain additions to that home that just make it personal to you, we do a personalized choices meeting, and that's where you get to come together with myself and we get to go through and just make all these options. It's really a fun time. That takes about an hour, sometimes even longer, especially if you're just sitting down and having fun and just throwing out ideas and seeing what fits nicely for you and for your budget. The 3-step process, very simple, very fun. The first one is the offer summary. The second one is the purchase and construction agreement. And about a week after that, we do the personalized choices meeting. All of that is intended to make you have the best experience you can as you're purchasing your new home.